Hi, VencoreWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Tuesday, July 14th. A very active weather pattern continues for the I-95 corridor. It's been quite active over the last couple of weeks, and indeed there's more heavy rainfall in store for D.C., Philadelphia, perhaps even New York City anytime today, tonight, into the day on Wednesday. It looks like it turns nice for Thursday and Friday, but before we get to that point, we'll have to suffer through some more downpours. And flash flooding is certainly a concern, especially in the D.C. metro region where they've had some heavy rainfall in the past few days, but really anywhere up and down the I-95 corridor. Watch out for potential flash flooding, as any one of these showers or thunderstorms that develop can dump a lot of rainfall in a short period of time. Let's take a look at the latest surface map. Weak warm frontal system pushing northward across southern New Jersey, southeastern Pennsylvania. Weak stationary front dropping south from a low pressure area. This low pressure system is right along this frontal boundary zone, and that tends to slow things down even further. This ultimately will become a stationary front, and not until this cool front presses southeast to the east coast will we experience genuine clearing. It looks like that won't happen until Thursday. Indeed, Thursday and Friday look like comfortable days, nice days here in the I-95 corridor, but between now and then, heavy rainfall and perhaps some strong thunderstorm activity will be the rule today, tonight, and on Wednesday. Well, here's the latest NOAA radar loop, and indeed some showers pushed through southeastern Pennsylvania early this morning and produced some heavy rainfall as well. Here's a batch of showers and perhaps an embedded thunderstorm or two headed towards the northeastern part of Pennsylvania. A dying system out here, a dying shower out here in southwestern Pennsylvania. But this entire area will start to fill in with some shower activity during the midday hours, and by afternoon I expect numerous showers and perhaps some strong thunderstorms just to the west of the I-95 corridor. Really, we can get hit in D.C., Baltimore, Philadelphia, New York City at just about any time, but certainly the best chance for thunderstorms will be later on this afternoon into the early part of tonight. And again, any shower or thunderstorm that forms, not only today, but tonight and Wednesday as well, can produce some flash flooding type rainfall in a short period of time. Well, here's the very latest GOES visible satellite image from the Penn State Ewald site of the northeastern part of the country. Lots of clouds, but notice also some breaks, some holes in these clouds. You can see some across extreme southern New Jersey and south central Pennsylvania here. There can be a few intervals of sunshine today in the I-95 corridor, helping to boost lower atmosphere temperatures, which in turn would destabilize the atmosphere, so that mostly cloudy skies, but some intervals of sunshine cannot be ruled out, along with, of course, those scattered showers and thunderstorms. Well, let's take a look at some computer forecast maps. All of this from the Tropical Tidbits website using last night's Zero-Z GFS model run. First, let's look at the all-important upper part of the atmosphere, 500 millibars, to see how much support there is for potential strong thunderstorms during the afternoon and evening hours. Indeed, a pretty vigorous looking upper level low right here across the Great Lakes region, a little trough in the upper part of the atmosphere, ready to swing on down to the south and east right into the mid-Atlantic region. This is the 12-hour forecast for right now, early this morning, from last night's Zero-Z GFS model run. Let's now jump ahead to the 24-hour forecast, verifying early tonight. And here we go. By early tonight, that trough of low pressure, which currently is over the Great Lakes, swings south and east to over the Ohio Valley into the western part of Pennsylvania by early tonight. All of this providing some support for numerous showers and perhaps some strong afternoon thunderstorms, and that threat will continue into the evening hours as well. Now here's the forecast map for tomorrow morning at 500 millibars, early Wednesday morning. That trough now situated right over the I-95 corridor. Still an unsettled day on Wednesday. Most of this will hang near the coast. If you go in the western part of the mid-Atlantic region, have much less of a chance of shower and thunderstorms. But right over the I-95 corridor, still an unsettled day coming on Wednesday. Well, let's now look at surface maps from last night's Jersey GFS model run. This is a 24-hour forecast verifying early this evening. Low pressure area associated with that upper level feature here over the eastern Great Lakes. Some signs of a frontal system right here along the east coast. So the combination of that upper atmosphere trough of low pressure, surface low pressure, frontal system here right over the I-95 corridor certainly keeps things unstable and unsettled later on today into the early part of tonight. And again, any shower or thunderstorm that forms can produce some heavy rainfall in a short period of time. And here's a forecast map for tomorrow morning at the surface level using last night's GFS model run. It almost looks like we should clear out on Wednesday, but what happens is this low pressure area hangs right along the east coast. Again, there's a frontal boundary zone right here, and this pretty much sits still during the day on Wednesday. Again, this is Wednesday morning. Let's now look at the Wednesday evening forecast map. And here it is, Wednesday evening. That low pressure area did not move far at all. An area of showers and I'm sure some embedded thunderstorms hanging right along the I-95 corridor. So the threat continues certainly on the day Wednesday into the early part of tomorrow night. Finally, by late tomorrow night and especially by the day on Thursday, we'll get some clearing thanks to this high pressure area. This will move in and control the weather around here for Thursday and Friday. Pleasant temperatures on those days as well. But before we get to that point, some more shower and thunderstorm activity today, tonight, and tomorrow. Any of those showers or storms can produce some heavy rainfall. That's it for now. For VencoreWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.